Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the Shortcuts app is current and your device runs the 2025 OS release. Next, create a new shortcut. Tap plus, add the scripting action Open App, and choose the app you want to replace. Once done, prepare the image you'll use for the icon. PNG at about 180x180 or a 2x export works best. Make sure the image is in Photos or Files so you can assign it quickly. This gets you immediately into the edit flow. Once the shortcut is configured to open the target app, tap the three-dot menu to access details. Choose the icon preview, then select Photo or choose File and crop the image so it fills the square. This preserves rounded corners. Name the shortcut exactly as the app to keep visual consistency, then choose Add to Home Screen. Make sure the icon and name are set, and confirm Add. This places your new custom icon on the home screen ready to launch the real app. Finish by arranging the new icon on your home screen and removing duplicates if you want a single entry. Test the shortcut. Tapping it should momentarily show shortcuts, then open the real app. That brief relay is normal. If it instead opens only shortcuts or asks permission, enable Allow Untrusted Shortcuts in Settings or recheck the Open App Action target. If the image appears blurry, replace it with a higher resolution PNG and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.